You know what every woman wants with their shower? She wants dual jet. Hey y'all, Rob Anderson out here today. We often get dirty in the course of duty, and yes, I did just say duty. We always have all these extra IBC totes, so I've seen a couple videos. We're gonna take these two totes, turn them into a shower. This is gonna be like the most simple and basic shower possible, because we're literally gonna just put the garden hose and a spray gun, but it's a way to be able to rinse off before you go about the rest of your day. Folks, the plans will not be made available online. You can just watch the video because there are no plans. This is just having fun. In case you've ever wondered what the inside of an IBC tote looks like, it looks like this. Awesome, not the right side.
Dang.
Enter Sawzall. Folks, it also helps if you have the right size grinding wheel. Somebody put the small one on here, not me. There's our shower drain.
Just open the door and yell for him. Right here. It's on here.
Enter shower man. Not shower man. Shower man. Oh God! This sandwich
Leave that
brought
in.
to you by
Leave that in.
Get your butt up.
Brian, Rico.
Ta-da! The shower's done. I think you just take the garden hose and you spray yourself. No, we're gonna keep going. So, one little thing we figured out when we're done is it wouldn't have been a bad idea to actually leave one of the sides, because then you could literally use that and have that kind of close up while you're inside here. Doesn't stop anybody from bothering you, but this isn't exactly all that private of a shower. This project can be made faster by getting all the tools to begin with. Now we're going to just have to get an actual shower head for this. Let's check it out. Ready for this? One more. Job done. We're gonna tweak it up a bit, but we'll put a curtain on here too. So you can change now how your shower goes. Woo! with 2 showers. I don't know if that's gonna give us quite enough force to actually like clean you off when you're dirty. It might be a little bit more enjoyable. So we gotta work on a little bit of the pressure. All right, folks, this concludes the episode of doing this.